How to set up Facebook Pixel for retargeting. Hey, want to follow your website visitors around the internet like a digital stalker? You need the Facebook Pixel. Here's how to set it up for retargeting in less than 2 minutes. Step 1. Create the pixel. Go to your Meta Events Manager, business.facebook.com. Click Connect Data Sources, Web, Facebook Pixel. Name it anything, like StalkMyCustomers if you're feeling spicy. Step 2. Install the pixel on your website. You'll get 2 options. Manually add code, use partner integration like Shopify, WordPress, etc. Choose one. If manual, just copy the code and paste it inside of your site. Tip: use Google Tag Manager if you hate messing with code. Step 3. Set up events. Use Event Setup tool to track things like page views, add to cart, purchases. Meta will guide you through it. Click, select, done. Step 4. Create retargeting audiences. Go to Audiences in Meta Ads Manager, select website traffic, last 30 days, or customize it. Now you've got a hot list of people to show ads to, even if they ghosted you the first time. You're now officially stalking like a pro. Hit save, launch ads, profit.